todo el mundo sepa lo mucho que te amo. Maldita.
She wanna woo nigga, she wanna fight with the
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Bienvenidos nuevamente to my channel, a mi canal. I hope you guys are doing good. So in today's video, I will be showing you guys how I installed this wig and also, you know, how I curled it and everything. I haven't had straight hair in forever, so it feels really weird to have a straight unit on my head. I'm not gonna lie. I'm living for it though, but it feels kind of weird, you know. Shout out to NA Beauty, Not Beauty, for sponsoring today's video. You know, shout out to them. Yeah, if you guys want to see how I got this look, how I ended up installing this wig, how I finessed it, how I curled it, and all of that, then keep on watching. But before we get into the video, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. Click the red button down below if you haven't already. Okay, let's get into the video. Okay, so today's video is going to be a wig installation video featuring Not Beauty hair. They were so kind to send me this unit in this cute little box. I just like how it just gives me luxury vibes. It gives me luxury vibes because it's a black box. I think that's the only reason why it's giving me luxury vibes, I'm not gonna lie. But inside of here you have obviously your hair. I already took my hair out because I was bleaching the knots and doing all that, but the hair comes in a plastic bag like this as normal, and it also comes wrapped in this netting to keep the hair in place and tangle free. They sent me a wig cap situation here with, you know, the regular one they normally send with 2 wig caps. They also sent me adjustable straps that you can sew on the wig, which I think it's perfect because I actually do use this a lot. I didn't think I was gonna use them like the first time I got them in a wig box, but baby, I use them a lot. Okay. And then lastly, they also sent me this super cute hairpin. Like, I love it. It's like a snake and I just think it's adorable. I think it's so cute. So here you have their little business card. So I will put this in focus so you guys can go and check them out. So yeah, that's what comes in this box. So what I did, and I'm sorry if my makeup looks a little bit messy, I need to fix it again after I do my hair, because my eyes were like tearing up and I have no idea why. So it kind of ruined my concealer down here, but it's fine. This is the wig. It's obviously, you know, it is right out of the box, but not really right out of the box because I bleached the knots and I washed the hair. I bleached the knots, I washed the hair, I did all of that. I haven't tried the wig on yet or anything. I don't know how it fits. So let's see what this wig is all about. I will put all the specs of the wig right here so you guys can, you know, read about it, or if you guys want to know anything specific. But it is a straight wig and it is 22 inches if I'm not mistaken. I did a T-part wig last week on my channel. That was a curly wig. It was a like super long curly wig. As I said in that video, I wanted it to be, I would like for it to have more space in the front to like pluck and customize the hairline. So this one, I'm like super excited to try it because it has way more space in the front and it also comes pre-plucked. I mean, at least to me, it looked like it pre-plucked. It looks like it's pre-plucked. I might be mistaken. I'm not sure. Oh my god, I haven't had, oh my god, this feels so weird. I haven't had straight hair in forever. Let me just brush this out a little bit. Obviously, right now, I look crazy. Yo, I haven't had straight hair in so long. Oh my god, this feels so weird. I can already tell like the actual wig is not pre-plucked to fit my head or like my hairline. So let's see. So obviously, as you guys can see here, this is like my natural hair. These are like my edges, baby hairs or whatever. Oh shit. And then I'm taking my right toe comb and I'm combing the hairs back while I'm then, you know, gluing the lace. It's definitely melted. Now here you can see like if there's like residue, like glue residue there. So I don't really know. I'm probably gonna create some baby hairs, but right now what I am going to do is that I'm going to fix the part. I'm just taking this LA Girl Pro Concealer and I'm just gonna put this right here. Entonces,
Te amo.
yo también.
Y no edite esta parte del video para que no tengamos problemas. Quiero verla en YouTube, quiero verla en Instagram.
Dime.
En todos lados quiero verla. Que todo el mundo sepa lo mucho que te amo. Maldita. Y termina rápido, que no vamos, que tengo una bebida pendiente.
I think I already have a video up on how I curl my hair, but we're still gonna go through with it, you know. Still gonna show you guys how I do it. I took too much hair, that's for sure. Maybe I should watch my own damn tutorial on how to do this. I'm thinking about, I want to cut layers into this hair, especially in the front part, just because I like how that looks better. But if I'm gonna cut it short, there's no point in me cutting layers into it, because if I'm gonna cut it short, I want it to be like a blunt, you know, bob type of, or lob, but like I want it to be super, like, you know what I'm trying to say. I think you guys know what I'm trying to say. Like, I don't want the bob or the haircut, if it's gonna be short, I don't want that to be in layers. You know what I mean? I finished curling my hair, and I don't know what to do. It's like I really want to cut it into layers if I'm gonna have it long, but then I really feel like cutting it short, but then it looks really good as it is right now. So it's like, I don't know. But I'm just gonna spray a little bit of hairspray just to hold the curls a little bit. So yeah, this is the final look with this hair. I hope you guys enjoyed this little, you know, installation and styling video. Shout out to Now Beauty again for sponsoring today's video, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe if you haven't already, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.